Imagine a world where every flashlight, phone, and car simply cease to function instantly. This catastrophic scenario highlights our absolute reliance on a silent, indispensable power source. Without this ubiquitous invention, the very fabric of our modern existence would completely unravel. Its seemingly simple power storage changed everything about human technological progress forever. We rarely consider the complex history behind the humble battery powering our daily lives. Before its invention, generating electricity required cumbersome, stationary machines and constant manual effort. People relied on static electricity or lightning for brief, uncontrolled bursts of raw power. Early scientific experiments often used Leyden jars, storing charges for a fleeting, dramatic spark. These devices, while exciting for demonstrations, lacked any practical sustained power delivery capabilities. Imagine conducting experiments or operating intricate devices needing a continuous, steady electrical current. The absence of portable, reliable electricity severely limited crucial technological advancements for centuries. On-demand electrical energy, predictable flow. This fundamental challenge spurred a revolutionary quest to unlock stable, on-demand electrical energy. Scientists across Europe intensely pursued methods for creating a dependable, self-contained power source. Their groundbreaking efforts would soon lead to one of humanity's most transformative scientific breakthroughs. The stage was set for an ingenious invention that would reshape the entire world of electrical physics. In the late 1700s, an Italian physician named Luigi Galvani observed something truly astonishing. He noticed that dissected frog legs twitched violently when touched by two different metals simultaneously. Galvani believed the animal's muscles contained a unique animal electricity responsible for this phenomenon. However, another brilliant Italian scientist, Alessandro Volta, questioned Galvani's underlying interpretation. Volta hypothesized the electricity originated not from the frog, but from the contact between the dissimilar metals. Steady and immeasurable electrical current meticulously began experimenting with different metal combinations, seeking to prove his alternative theory. Stacked this intricate alternating discs of zinc and arrangement copper, separated by brine-soaked paper or cloth pieces. But from the contact between the dissimilar metals, steady and immeasurable electrical current, Volta had successfully created the first true chemical battery, which he famously called the voltaic pile. Imagine tiny chemical factories within each layer, constantly pushing electrons through an external wire. Each zinc disc acted as the negative electrode, readily releasing electrons into the surrounding solution. Simultaneously, the copper disc served as the positive electrode, attracting those electrons from the circuit. The brine-soaked paper, an electrolyte, completed the circuit, allowing ions to flow and maintain charge balance. This ingenious design provided a sustained, predictable flow of electricity, unlike any previous method.
And then something unexpected happened. Volta demonstrated his invention to Napoleon Bonaparte himself.
Volta demonstrated his invention to Napoleon Bonaparte himself, utterly captivated by its power, bestowed upon Volta numerous honors and substantial financial support. This public endorsement propelled the voltaic pile into the scientific spotlight across the globe. Scientists quickly replicated Volta's experiments, confirming the revolutionary potential of his ingenious design. They started building larger, more powerful piles, experimenting with different materials and configurations. But that's not the strangest part. Early experimenters often received powerful, painful shocks from their creations. These early batteries were unwieldy, often dripping corrosive acid and requiring constant attention. Further innovations refined the battery's design, replacing leaky fluid cells with more practical, contained versions. John Frederick Daniel created the Daniel cell, offering a safer and longer-lasting electrical current. Later, Georges Leclanché developed the first dry cell, making batteries truly portable and far more convenient.
This monumental shift removed the need for liquid electrolytes, opening doors for countless new applications.
Suddenly, electricity could travel beyond laboratories for countless new applications, powering new devices in homes and industries. Wait until you hear what comes next. The ability to recharge batteries would transform their utility entirely.
Gaston Planté introduced the lead-acid battery, the first rechargeable type, in the mid-1800s.
This incredible breakthrough meant batteries could now store and release energy repeatedly, extending their lifespan. Imagine the economic and practical implications of not needing to constantly replace spent power sources. This innovation laid the groundwork for the powerful, versatile rechargeable batteries we utilize universally today. The invention of the battery sparked an unprecedented surge in technological innovation worldwide. Suddenly, portable electrical devices became a tangible reality, revolutionizing communication and transportation. Telegraph systems, once limited by cumbersome power sources, now reached distant corners of the planet. Early telephones, powered by compact batteries, transformed how people connected across vast distances. This self-contained power unlocked the potential for personal illumination, replacing candles and oil lamps. Flashlights, once a futuristic concept, became common household items, providing instant, portable light. The internal combustion engine, fundamental to early automobiles, relied on batteries for crucial ignition systems. Without a reliable battery, starting a car would remain a laborious, often impassable manual undertaking. Submarines, for example, depend entirely on massive battery banks for silent underwater propulsion. Medical devices, from pacemakers to hearing aids, deliver life-saving functions thanks to miniature batteries. Consider how remote controls, portable radios, and countless other everyday gadgets owe their existence to this invention. The battery democratized access to electricity, empowering individuals with personal mobile power solutions. It enabled explorers to venture further, scientists to conduct field research, and armies to communicate more effectively. But truly mobile and personal unassuming object became the silent, beating heart of the Industrial Revolution and subsequent digital age. It propelled humanity into an era where electrical power was not just available, but truly mobile and personal. The legacy of Volta's simple stack continues to power our intricate, interconnected global civilization. From twitching frog legs to the powerful devices in your pocket, the battery's journey is truly remarkable. This invention profoundly shaped human history, proving the immense impact of sustained electrical power. It transformed static laboratory curiosities into an essential, ubiquitous component of modern existence. Every electrical device we use carries the silent legacy of Volta's groundbreaking, fundamental discovery. Understanding its origins illuminates the incredible ingenuity behind our most taken-for-granted technologies. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more incredible stories behind everyday wonders and their inventors, and share your thoughts in the comments about which invention you find most surprising.